All objects have some shape. Some shapes are common and some shapes are not so common. Here we are going to talk about some of the common shapes so that you can easily recognize them. Our first shape is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. A slice of pizza is an example in real life of a shape of a triangle. 3 sides and 3 corners. Our second shape is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. So each of these shapes has 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. A rectangle is a very common shape. You will see rectangles all the time in real life. A couple of examples of things that are in the shape of a rectangle are a basketball court, for example. If you're looking down on a basketball court, the shape of the court would be a rectangle. Also a door. If we put a little knob right there, that would look like a door. Doors are in the shape of a rectangle. And also the paper that you use in school, are shaped like a rectangle. This is a very common shape that you'll see a lot, is the rectangle. Then we move on to look at the square. Now a square is a rectangle, but all 4 sides of the rectangle are equal. So for a square you have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Next, we're going to take a look at a circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. This is also a very common shape. Think about the top of a cake. The top of a cake has a circular shape. Or the top of a soda can. The top of a soda can has a circular shape. An oval is our last shape that we're going to look at, and an oval is like a circle, but it's not a circle. An oval also has no sides and no corners. An example of an oval that we see a lot in real life would be the shape of an egg. These are some of the common shapes that you will see around you, and you should be able to recognize them. Triangle, rectangle, square, circle, and oval. Another concept I would like to teach you here is a line. Make 2 points on your notebook. So any 2 places, draw 2 points. And now you're going to connect them together with your pencil. So connect your 2 points. Anytime you connect 2 points, you make a line. So you have drawn a line between the 2 points. Now you can draw a straight line like I just did here, or if we have 2 points, we could also connect those 2 points with a curved line. However, in geometry, we mostly deal with straight lines. So when you're working with geometry and you have 2 points that you're connecting with a line, you're going to want to use a straight line to connect your 2 points.